Covenants and events of default are two of the most negotiated sections in a loan agreement. Together, these sections regulate the activities and operations of the borrower during the life of the loan. Covenants are ongoing obligations that the borrower has to comply with. If the borrower breaches a covenant, the result is an event of default, which allows the lender to demand repayment of the entire loan. It's common for many of the covenants and events of default to apply to the borrower's guarantors or other subsidiaries, as well as the borrower. The exact parties that are picked up by the provisions are usually heavily negotiated and depend on the particular covenant or event of default in question. Lenders naturally want the provisions to apply as broadly as possible, while borrowers want a more limited scope. From the lender's perspective, the purpose of the covenants is to stop the borrower, and its subsidiaries, from doing anything that might prevent the loan from being paid back, or that might decrease the value of the lender's collateral. Lenders also use covenants to monitor the borrower's operations, so that potential problems can be identified early, before a default. The borrower, on the other hand, pushes for the least number of restrictions so that its day-to-day business operations aren't materially affected. Covenants generally come in two forms: affirmative covenants, which are active obligations of the borrower, and negative covenants, which are restrictions or actions the borrower is prohibited from taking.